Home-based business, what do you think about that? Totally remote, virtual home-based, no physical location.
So here's the thing. The E2 law does not require you to have a commercial office, but that is one piece of the puzzle that immigration officer looks at in making a visa decision. So for startup businesses, it's more important to have a physical commercial business location because we don't have a history of profits and financial performance and many job creations to show for in a brand new startup business. Um, and having a credible business commercial space helps bolster the credibility of the startup business. It allows the immigration officer a higher likelihood to believe in the potential success of the business. If they see a brand new startup with little to no revenue, little to no employees, um, little to no track record, and it's run out of home office, there's a higher risk of visa denial as a marginal business because everything, it just looks so speculative and it's run out of home. So typically I'll advise client, get a commercial space. Doesn't have to be huge, credible professional commercial space for the initial E2 visa. And after you get E2 visa, you can let the lease expire because years later, when you're applying for E2 visa renewal, we don't need to have an office to prove the credibility of business. At that point in time, years down the road, the business should have strong financial performance and multiple meaningful job creation based on qualification, on actual performance, actual results of job creation. But for a brand new startup, it could be risky to apply based on a home office unless it's a really big investment, like multiple six figures. If it's on a lower end investment, I'll typically advise getting a like an executive suite, something that's professional looking. It doesn't have to be expensive. It's part of my visa strategy for success. Now, if you're buying an existing business that already have strong financial performance and job creation, then of course having an office space is not that critical because from the get-go we can show immigration officer the actual financial performance, economic contribution. So it depends
Yeah.
on situation.